Welcome to madecv.com. What is your name and nationality?
Veronica.
What is your name and nationality?
Veronica Aquino.
Okay, and you're from?
Philippines.
How old are you?
38.
Are you single or married?
Single.
Single. Okay. So, what position are you applying for?
Housemate.
Housemate. Okay. So, when would you be able to start working?
As soon as possible.
Do you have relatives here in UAE?
Yeah.
Okay. Please describe your last job. What was your last job?
Um, Cleaning in the house.
You are in charge of?
Taking care of the all things in the house.
So you're in charge of doing all the household chores.
I do cooking,
Uh-huh.
basic only, and then I do cleaning,
Uh-huh.
and I do ironing.
Ironing and how about washing of clothes?
Yeah. I do washing.
Okay. So describe how do you clean the living room, the kitchen, the bedroom, the toilet, and which part of the house are you going to clean first? Which part of the house are you going to clean first?
Sala.
Okay.
First.
Okay, so you're going to clean the sala or the living room. How are you going to clean it?
Take all the things. And
Take
then,
all the things and then?
yeah. Then vacuum and then wipe the everything. Yeah.
Okay. So for the bedrooms, how many times in a week do you have to change the bed sheets?
1 week.
Once a week.
Once a week.
Okay. And how about the toilet? How do you maintain the cleanliness of the toilet?
Every day.
You clean it every day. Okay. So what would you do if a delivery man came to the door and your employer is not around?
So this.
There's a delivery man outside. Your employer is not
See to
around.
the mirror. And that.
Look at the
Look
people.
at the. Yeah. The door.
Okay. And then, are you going to let him in or what? What are you going to do
No.
first?
Call the madam.
Okay, good. You have to call your employer and confirm.
Yeah.
Okay. So you said you know how to cook. What kind of foods you can cook?
Dito. Basic only. The
Basic
Arab food
cooking.
is.
Basic cooking. Okay, so
Yeah.
are you willing to learn how to cook other, for example, other dishes aside from some Arabic dishes that you know?
Yeah.
Okay, do you know how to follow instruction in cookbooks?
Yes, madam.
Okay, so how much is your minimum expected salary?
The minimum today.
Your minimum expected salary. The minimum salary that you're willing to accept, how much?
I only 1.5 like this.
1.5, but you're looking for a live-out job, right? So are you going to ask for any allowances?
Yes.
What?
I want to some like leave out.
Uh-huh. So you're
then-
you want 1,500 plus
Plus or for accommodation like this, and then transportation and
and
food.
food allowances. Okay. So give a short message to your future employer. Why should they hire you? Why should they hire you? Why should they hire you? What qualities do you have? Are you hardworking, honest,
No,
patient?
only 8 hours only.
Okay, but what qualities do you have? Are you patient, hardworking,
Of course,
honest? You're
yeah. patient.
You're very patient. Okay, so please keep your mobile phone on with you as families will contact you. Thank you for maidtv.com. Thank you.